Here's a mind blower. Every slice of pizza you've ever eaten started as sunlight. Yep, plants grabbed sunshine, turned it into sugar, and that energy climbed its way to you. That magic trick has a name: photosynthesis. Let's break it down kid style so it sticks. Picture a plant as a tiny green chef. Its leaves, little solar kitchens. On the menu, sugar, also called glucose, the plant's energy snack. The recipe only needs 3 ingredients: sunlight, water, carbon dioxide. Ingredient 1, sunlight. The sun beams energy to Earth. Leaves have a special green pigment called chlorophyll. Think of it like microscopic solar panels. Chlorophyll loves light, especially from the blue and red parts of the rainbow. That's why most leaves look green. It's the color they bounce away. Ingredient 2, water. Roots sip water from the soil like straws. The water travels up tiny tubes, xylem, through the stem to the leaves. Ingredient 3, carbon dioxide or CO2. Leaves have teeny tiny pores on the bottom called stomata, like little mouth holes. They open to let CO2 sneak in, and water vapor and oxygen sneak out. Now the cooking. Inside leaf cells are chloroplasts. These are the actual kitchens. Step 1, light capture. Chlorophyll absorbs sunlight and turns that light energy into chemical energy. Think of charging a battery. Step 2, water split. The plant uses some of that new energy to split water into hydrogen and oxygen. The oxygen, surprise, gets released into the air. That's a big gift from plants. One large tree can provide enough oxygen for several people in a day. Take a breath. Thank a plant. Step 3, sugar factory. The plant mixes the hydrogen from water with carbon dioxide from the air and builds glucose. It's like snapping Lego bricks together to make a sweet energy block. What happens to the glucose? 3 things. Instant energy. Plants use it to grow, heal, and do planty chores. Shipping. Plants move sugars around through other tiny tubes called phloem, sending snacks from leaf kitchens to roots, stems, fruits, and seeds. Savings account. Extra sugar gets stored as starch, like packing a lunch for later. Potatoes, carrots, and grains are plant savings we eat. Why should you care? Because photosynthesis powers almost every food chain on Earth. Grass photosynthesizes, a cow eats the grass, you eat a burger. Energy passed along from sunlight to you. Even if you love chicken nuggets or sushi, that energy started with plants. Bonus superpower. Plants clean the air. They take in CO2 and release oxygen. That helps balance our atmosphere and gives us fresh air to breathe. Forests and oceans' tiny plant-like plankton are like Earth's giant lungs. Quick pop quiz, no pressure. What do stomata do? Tiny doors for gases, CO2 in, oxygen and water vapor out. What color chemical catches light? Chlorophyll, the green one. What's the plant's sugar called? Glucose. Nailed it. Plants eat dirt. Not really. They use minerals from soil like vitamins. But the main food, glucose, is built from water and carbon dioxide using sunlight. Plants only work in the day. The light-requiring parts happen in daylight. At night, plants still use oxygen for their own energy needs, just like you. But overall, plants make way more oxygen than they use. Here's a simple way to see photosynthesis at home. Put a healthy houseplant by a sunny window for a week, and another in a dim spot. The sunny one grows faster and looks perkier because its leaf kitchens had more light to cook with. So, photosynthesis in one line. Plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to make sugar for themselves and oxygen for us. Sun to leaf to life. That's the green engine of our planet, and your pizza's secret origin story. Next time you see a tree or a blade of grass, give it a tiny salute. It's busy making the world breathe and your lunch possible.